This is Christmas Tree, a story for kids. Hello, kids. Today I want to tell you a Christmas story, and it has an important question in it. Christmas question. Is Christmas about getting gifts? Many children think Christmas is about getting gifts. But is that really the best part? Daniel's birthday. Imagine today is Daniel's birthday. Everyone brings gifts to Daniel. Birthday question. Did Daniel give gifts? No. Did his brother get gifts? No. Did his sister get gifts? No. Did his friends get gifts? No. Why? Because it is Daniel's birthday. The day is about him. Jesus' birthday. Christmas is Jesus' birthday. So should we accept gifts for ourselves? Just like Daniel's birthday. So should we bring to Jesus gifts to Jesus? We should bring gifts to Jesus on the Christmas day because it is Jesus' birthday. A big question. But wait a minute. Jesus is in heaven. How can we give him a gift? Bible answers. Jesus said, whatever you did for the least of those, you did for me. Matthew 25, chapter 40. This is how we give to Jesus. When we help the hungry, share with the lonely, and care for those in need, we give a gift to Jesus. That is how we celebrate Christmas the right way. By giving glory to God and remembering why Jesus was born. Jesus came to save us. Jesus came to love us. Jesus is the greatest gift of all. Celebrate Christmas. Let us celebrate Christmas by giving glory to God and remembering why Jesus was born. Christmas worksheet for kids. Whose birthday is Christmas? Me, Jesus, Daniel. Do you say Jesus? That is the correct one. Should we expect Jesus on Jesus' birthday? Gifts on Jesus' birthday? Jesus' birthday? Yes or no? Did you say no? No? That's the correct one. How can we give gift to Jesus, circle 1. Helping others, being mean, not caring. Do you guys say helping others? That's the correct one. Hi kids, I'm about to finish, but before that, draw a picture of how you can help someone this Christmas. Goodbye. Bye bye kids. See you next time. I'm Kimberly.